Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great.
1, 2, 3, funky.
If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Joyce Pinto. So today's video is an Urbanic haul. So I bought few pieces from Urbanic I guess last month, and it got delivered like a week before. So yeah, before getting into the video, I just want to give you all a small update on a IGTV video which I did on Instagram like I guess a year back, that is Have a Stylish haul. So if you all remember, I just wanted to say is that if you all are ever buying from or purchasing from that site, make sure you all go for earrings and not necklaces, because their necklaces get rusted within like a week or two because of the sweat and all stuff. So their necklaces are very not that good quality one. But if you all want to go for their earrings, go for it. I love them. I still have it. I use it like a everyday or alternative. Yeah, that's a small update. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So quickly starting up, I didn't order like a lot, like few pieces here and there which I liked, because as I said, the Ever Stylish necklaces got rusted and I did want few necklaces, so I bought them from Urbanic. And talking about their delivery, you all know 28 days, it takes a lot of time. You all should have patience. Also, one thing to remember is that their jewelry section do not have return policy, I believe. I'm not sure because none of my jewelry could be returned. One of them came in a very bad condition and I can't send them back right now. Y'all will come to know when y'all see the video. So let's start with the first one. Is this cute necklace. I don't know whether this is a moon or sun, not moon, sorry, sun or something else, but it looks like sun, which is pretty cute. It's just a small one-piece necklace, and the quality is actually very good. I will come to know a lot after like a 1 month whether it will get rusted very fast. I'm not sure. I'll just give you all updates on my Instagram or my next YouTube video. But for now, like, it's been a week and I didn't use this one, but it's cute. I felt it was very cute. So yeah. So before moving on to the second piece, I just want to tell you all that it comes in a small box like this. And y'all, every jewelry is packed in this cute, what do you call it? I don't know what do you call this, but kind of small plastic. It's actually very cute. Their branding is on point. Like for every, what do you call it, packet, they have Urbanic written on them. And inside is their, necklaces. So moving on to the second piece, which y'all already saw, I feel, when I was opening it, is this necklace. It is trending so much. Like you can see these color beads. Literally, this is trending right now on Instagram. Each one you see is wearing this. Actually, it looks very cool with Western outfits like a hoodie or printed shirts. This will look great. And it's actually a not two piece, I mean like a double layered necklace. You can wear it like this also, no problem, but it's actually like a double layered types. You have to just fold it. I'll just show you all so that time you all can see it. So moving on to the third piece is the earring. I just bought one earring from them. I loved it. Okay, I don't know whether I can focus on it, but it looks like this, and you have to hang like this. Okay, it's way too cute. Obviously I will be showing to you all when trying it out. It's so chuttu, yeah. It's so small and it's so cute. Like it can go with like what do you call it, elegant dresses. Also I am coming from the college and shooting directly, so if you all see like I don't know what face but ignore, okay. And yeah, it will go out, it will go well with party dresses. If you all are wearing black and all, it will look like stunning, chic, what do you call it, chic. Yeah, so I have 3 pieces left to show it to you all, and then it's done, because obviously it's a small haul. So let me show you all the defective ones which I was talking about. This is the pearl necklace. Like, yeah, to be honest, this was the only necklace which I had so much hopes, because I wanted a pearl necklace from a long time, and this came in such a bad condition. Like all the pearls were like spread in the packet. The, what do you call it, this thing, the golden chain was open, everything was. Can you all hear that voice? 2 pearls fell. But however, you know, Indians are jugadu. I did some jugad and I, you know, bought it together. But still, obviously I can't wear it outside because I'm scared if it opens and then you know what's going to happen. It's just going to be like woof. That's what's going to happen. So I'm just going to wear it in my videos because this is so cute. Moving on to the 5th item is I purchased bracelets, and this is like a 3, it's like, what do you call it, set. So we have 3 in 1, not sorry, we have 3 bracelets in 1 packet, and I'll just show it to y'all. One looks like this. Yeah, is it even focusing? One looks like this. I like this, it's very simple now, but I'm scared, yeah. You all can already see in the frame that I'm sweating so much. I do sweat a lot, and that's why, you know, these 100 rupees kind of necklaces don't last too long for me. But these are the 3 bracelets. It looks good, and you know, the gold color also is not that, like, you know, chata gold or something. It is very nice neat wala gold, which is nice. These 2 bracelets have pearls in it, and it's cute. Moving on to the 6th item, that is the last item. I have a necklace set here. If you all remember, I have worn this. Wait, ulta palti hai. Okay, if you all remember, I have worn this on my Instagram. This is the, what do you call it, lock chain necklace, and I wore it in my recent post after I colored my hair. This actually looks cool. It was a trend like while ago, and the quality is nice, the chain is also nice, and I love it. We have other 2 necklaces. Wait bro, I have to untangle it. So these are the other 2 necklaces. One is the butterfly one, and one is actually a choker. What happened to this one here? This is actually a choker, but how will it even fit my look? Dude, my neck is so big. It might fit. If it does not fit, I will whack them. Yeah, it's so small, but this one is cute. If you all remember, you all can see this butterfly wala necklace everywhere on Instagram. Like, it's a go-to necklace for most of them. And this one is a choker. Again, you know, you can wear this in parties. While I'm just wearing it, you all can see how beautiful it looks. Yeah, these were the 3 pieces, and here we come to an end of the video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, comment, and also comment which necklace or which item did you like the most. So yeah, see you all in the next video. Bye bye.